Good day everyone. Today I want to remind you of the incredible power that a smile holds. A smile is more than just a curve on your face, it's a beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience, and a catalyst for positivity in our lives. In the face of challenges and uncertainties, when life throws obstacles our way, remember that a simple smile can light up even the darkest moments. It radiates warmth, it spreads joy, and it connects us in ways words sometimes cannot. Each day when you wake up, choose to wear your smile proudly. Let it be your armor against negativity and your key to unlocking doors of opportunity. Your smile is contagious, it has the potential to brighten someone else's day and inspire them to spread kindness further. No matter how tough the journey may seem, keep smiling. It's a reflection of your inner strength and belief that brighter days are ahead. Believe in yourself, embrace challenges with a positive attitude, and let your smile be a testament to your unwavering spirit. So, let's all make a commitment today to smile more, to uplift others, and to create a world where kindness and positivity reign supreme. Together, with our smiles as our guide, we can achieve greatness and make a difference in the lives of those around us. Thank you for listening, and remember, smile, it looks beautiful on you.